This is a 2011 Hyundai Elantra. The wiper motor seems to have a problem. The wiper switch inside seems to be fine. I swapped out the wiper switch with the new one. The new one is supposed to be OEM. To test the wiper motor, you hook up positive to, that is terminal 2. And then you hook up negative or ground to terminal 5. This one, with this motor, high speed works. High speed is connecting the white pin 2 to pin 4. Pin 4 is high speed, pin 6 is low speed, I think, unless I have that backwards. No, I have that right. Pin 1 is blanked. It goes from 1 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 starts at the top, I'd say left corner, or this bottom corner. So if you hook up pin 2, whatever that is, pin 2 is positive, 12 volts, to pin 4, that the motor turns on when power is applied to pin 2 and pin 5. And if you hook it up to the last pin, pin 6, pin 2 to pin 6, sending 12 volts to pin 6, turns on the low speed. When I hook up 12 volts to that, then it doesn't work. Maybe it twitches, the motor twitches. That's it. I'll add a link online for that shows the diagrams for basic diagnosis of stuff like this.